Alright, the motor is in the off position. We have just had it running. I want to show you with no fuel plug-in just how long it'll run. You don't even have to pull the choke to get it to start after it's been running. A light full of a handle. No fuel whatsoever being added. It's just running off of what is in the carburetor. There is the water impeller. You can see that it'll run in high or low. It doesn't miss, it doesn't backfire, it doesn't smoke. This is a solid running, good engine. Carburetor will hold probably about 3 to 4 minutes of fuel. Again, it's running right now without any extra fuel added, only what is in the carburetor. I'll see if I can get you a good view. You'll have to look at the picture if you want to see the VIN number and model number. 1970's Yachtwin. This is only the 4th time I've ever run it, and it's all been in this bucket. Low hours. There it goes. It's run itself out of gas. I always run my motors out of gas so that there's nothing in the carburetor to kill any of the seals when sitting. Let's see if I can get you a VIN number here. The serial number is 4136D-E01842. That's the series number. It is an Evinrude 4 horsepower 1970s boat motor.